Welcome to Payfunnels. In this video, I will show you how to set up a recurring subscription with a trial period. Using the trial feature, you can start to bill your customers on a future date. Please click on a new invoice and choose recurring invoice. Now enter the name of your service or the product and add the description. Here we will enter the business consulting as name and description. Now, enter the amount you want to charge the customer on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. In this case, we will enter $1,000 and choose monthly. Basically, you are taking a $1,000 payment every month. Now, please go to the Advanced tab and you will see the option to choose the currency and add a trial period. Let's choose USD as a currency and enter 14 days in the trial period section. You can choose any number of days you want to wait before the billing starts. In our case, the monthly payments of $1,000 will be started after the 14-day once the trial period is finished. You can also change this trial period label from settings under the billing tab. Now scroll down and save the invoice. You will now see that the invoice link has been created. You can share the invoice link with your customers via email, chat, WhatsApp, text message, LinkedIn, Twitter, or any social media. You will also see the web integration code that is created. This is the code to add the Pay Now button on your website. You can also click on the View Invoice and enter the information of your customer to process the payment. Let's click on View Invoice. You will see the invoice details on the left side. Now enter the name and email address and click Next. Enter the credit card number, expiry, and CVC, and click on Start Trial. You can now see that the payment is processed and the option to download the invoice and receipt is available. Please send an email to support@payfunnels.com if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video.